If you need to close your Microsoft Teams account, follow these steps to ensure the process is completed correctly. This guide will help you through the necessary actions to deactivate your account. Step 1. Sign into Microsoft Teams. Log into your Microsoft Teams account using your credentials. Make sure you are using the account you wish to close. Step 2. Access account settings. Once logged in, click on your profile picture or initials in the top right corner of the Teams interface. From the drop-down menu, select Settings to access your account settings. Step 3. Navigate to the Subscription section. In the Settings menu, look for the Subscription or Account section. Here, you will find details about your Teams subscription and options for managing your account. Step 4. Select the option to close account. Within the subscription settings, look for an option that allows you to close or deactivate your account. Follow the prompts provided to initiate the account closure process. Step 5. Confirm account closure. You will likely be asked to confirm your decision to close the account. Read any warnings or information provided, then confirm your choice to finalize the closure of your Microsoft Teams account. Once you have completed these steps, your Microsoft Teams account will be closed. Be sure to save any important data or files before starting this process, as you may lose access to them after closure.